Ed Leemen Upfit here with another 2-minute tailgate, telling you about the Teraflex Bump Stop kit that they refer to as the Speed Bump kit. This is the front here. You take out your factory ones. These ones, you got to cut off where the factory one goes in. These slide up in there. They give you some adjusting shims and just, so you can set your depth. And this locks up on top. But the cool thing about these, I guess, they are spring loaded on the inside. So as you set your height with these here on the inside of the spring, they're going in there. These are spring loaded. I'm not quite heavy enough to get a lot out of it, but you see the point. As you're getting into something and your suspension's coming up, it's not just slamming something. It's hitting here and it's giving you some cushion until it bottoms out and gives you all that you've got. This is the front. You got all your hardware here. Then on the rear, they're not quite as sophisticated, but a ton of adjustment. You got these 1/2-inch plates here. There's 4 of those, plus your steel lower, and then you got this 2-inch top here. You could just use them all or use one. Then these replace your factory ones. These are a little bit of a progressive rate, but there's a bump stop for the top. So you can keep from ripping your fenders off with your 40s. That's kind of their point. But that's what it is. Wanted to show it to you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And check out our other videos. Have a good one.